Hello everyone, here's Harry, founder of ROCKY.AI. I'm going to show you Rocky for Teams today. What you can see here on the screen is an activated account for Rocky for Teams. Rocky for Teams is a bit different than the user application because it allows you to remote control Rocky and set up members of your team, of your group, of your clients to be connected to Rocky and remote control Rocky. So first of all, what we see here is the Rocky for Teams web app. It works only on the browser, not on the mobile app. The mobile app is only end-user oriented. But on the browser at app.rocky.ai, you might have access to Rocky for Teams. To be granted that access, you have to go to the profile section and add the coach code Rocky for Teams. You can see it here. Once you add Rocky for Teams, Rocky for Teams, then your personal account will be activated into a coach account, and that will allow you the whole team setting, Rocky for Teams and everything. So I already enabled this. Once you have this on your web app, app.rocky.ai, you can see, in addition to the mobile app for end users itself, team activities, manage teams, manage users, manage seats, invite users, create teams. On the top navigation, you can again find the quick link to the team management. You can see your personal coach, which basically means if you click on that, you get the view of the end user's perspective of using ROCKY.AI for yourself. Here we have this example. I'm going back to the home. Then there are two more buttons. Book a one-on-one service call. Basically, this will connect with somebody of our team to give you help or instructions on your questions. Or here we have a tutorial link where you can open some videos as this one. There are also interesting functions as support. If you click on support, you can come to an interface where you can send us a message and somebody of our team might reply to you. But that support function also allows you to communicate with your individual users who use Rocky for Teams. Then, very important, Teams, which is the same functionality as here on the left, is about setting up your teams and controlling them. In the next videos, we will go through the individual functions, how to set up teams, how to invite users, how to see what is happening there, how to buy and purchase seats for them, or eventually even subscribe to a package. Thank you very much and talk soon.